Hello students, welcome back to English Learning. I'm Ansuya Sharma, your English teacher. So students, today we are going to learn how to write diary entry. So now students, you will say, ma'am, what is diary entry? So students, diary entry is usually a record kept by an individual of his day, of his daily routine or of his life, you can say. So here in very simple word is given, diary entry is a record of an individual account of the day of his or her life. Means whatever you did in your full day, in your school, at home, in friend's birthday party, whatever you like to keep secret. Mostly secrets are written in diary. Okay students, so let us learn today how to write a diary. Basically, diary entry is asked for 8 marks question by CBSE in 9th and 10th. So, student, let us learn how to cope up all the 8 marks. So, first, let us see the format of diary entry. So, students, the format is we write the date, the day, and the time. So, I will teach you how to write it. There is a format to write. Okay, so the date should always be written like this. You can't write date like this. The correct one I will show you first. Today is 2nd May 2020. This is the correct form, and you can't write like this. Many of them have the habit of writing like this. Okay, this will be completely wrong. Okay, you have to write like this. So the day, for example, today is Monday. Okay, so write Monday full. Don't keep any shortcut here. Okay, and time is also written. For example, diary is basically written at evening time or night time. Okay, because it's a record of a complete day, full day, what you did. So I write my diary at 9:30 p.m. Okay, so like this time should be written. Then leave one line. Then dear diary, the salutation should be written. Now why dear diary is written? Here dear diary is behaving like a friend to you. Okay, a friend to which you can share all your secrets. So there is a salutation given to the diary, dear diary. Okay, diary is one kind of friend to whom you cannot keep anything secret. You need someone to whom you can tell all your secrets. If you tell to your diary, the diary is not going to leak it out. Okay, so many people prefer to write the secrets or the day record in the diary rather than telling their friends, because most of the friends leak the secrets. Okay, then dear diary, salutation, then again leave one line. Again you have to leave one line and then write the content, the single paragraph of 80 to 100 words. Okay, you can write. Then again leave one line and then you should write your name. So my name is Ansuya Sharma. I will only write Ansuya. Okay, no need, because as diary is your friend, she knows or he knows who you are. Okay, so now student, there is a method of writing the content also. I will tell you. First thing, the diary content should be always written by the first person. Now who is the first person? First person means that's yourself, that is I is used to start the diary. Like I was very happy today as I visited my grandmother's house. Okay, so like this the diary should be started by the first person. Then next we need to remember or keep in mind about the tenses. Okay, tenses. So first thing is the first person, I. The diary should be started with I. Second is tense. The diary should be always written in simple past. Simple past. Second, you can write it in present perfect. Okay. Perfect. And third, you can write it in future tense also. Okay, so students, it's very important to just remember these three things. Okay, so first and very important thing is never use present continuous tense in writing the content. Okay, present continuous means, for example, I was playing in the park. See, I was playing means you are still playing in the park. Okay, it's a present continuous tense. So we never use present continuous tense. We use always present perfect. For example, I played football in the park. Okay, did you get? So continuous will be wrong. We can use all the simple past also we can use, and future also we can use. Means you are telling about your plans. What are your plans you are going to do tomorrow, or what you did. Okay, so all the things should be written. So there are some general things how to write the content. The first thing is the general statement. Okay, general statement. Sentence you can write. The general sentences should be what you did today, what you are going to do. Okay, I went to the park and I played. Okay, the second one will be explain your actions. Okay, about your actions. And feelings also you can share with your diary. Feelings also can be shared. And the third and the last, your future plans. Future plans. Okay, so like general statement will be, today I was very happy because I went to the park, we played football. And what were your feelings? You felt very happy. You were thinking that to come again and again. Your future plans, it will be, you thought that you will be visiting the park each and every day. Okay students, like this you need to just remember these three things and about the tenses when you're writing the content. And it's very easy. If you write it within 80 to 100 words, you need to write it. Okay, and after that it's very simple. Just on a fresh page you can write this.